Welcome to Street Sense, where I share with you uncommon wisdom tips to help you succeed in your finances, career, business, and relationships. My name is Maxwell Mensah. You can call me Talent Man. On this episode, I'm going to share with you 7 money mistakes you must avoid at all costs. 7 money mistakes you must avoid at all costs. But before I get into it, I want to urge you kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment for me, and share this video so others can get to learn from my videos. So let's get into it. 7 money mistakes you must avoid. First money mistake you must avoid is spending unnecessarily. Spending unnecessarily. You know, sometimes when you don't have money, you have all the best plans in life. So you plan, oh, when I get money, I'll do X, I'll do Y, I'll do Z, I'll do A, I'll do B, I'll do C. You have a plan. But then when the money hits your hand, that's when you remember, hey, I haven't eaten pizza in 5 years. Then get my pizza just to enjoy. That's when you remember you need to buy a new car. Then go and buy a new car. That's when you remember you have to go and do shopping for new clothes. 1,000 clothes into your wardrobe when you don't even need them. When you are someone who loves to spend unnecessarily, it is a wrong money mistake you are making. It is a money mistake you are making. It is a mistake you are making because when you don't have the money, you have the best plan. But when the money comes, then you let your plans go off the roof and then just go about to do all the things that you never thought you would ever do. Only when the money gets finished that you remember, hey, I should have done this, I should have done that, I should have done that. When you're someone who loves to spend unnecessarily, especially spending on things you didn't plan to spend on, you are someone who has, or you make a lot of mistakes with money. Secondly, if you are someone who spends more than you make, it is a money mistake you are making. Stop spending more than you make. Well, there are times when you don't have, so you really need to borrow from someone just to augment what you have to do what you want to do so you can pay the money back. But it shouldn't become a habit. It shouldn't become a normal habit where I ask for you every time you are borrowing because you are spending more than you make. So probably your salary is 2,000 cedis, but you're always spending maybe say 3,000 every month. Always spending 3,000 when your salary is 2,000. You are definitely spending more than you make. It could be that you are spending on things you actually can't cut down on because your current finances cannot support such things. But because you want to look good in the eyes of people, you want to look rich in the eyes of people, you are spending on those things just to keep up appearances. So if you are someone who keeps spending more than you make, it is a clear sign you are making money mistakes. Next, if you are someone who loves to spend so much on guys and girls, if you spend so much on guys and girls, you are making a serious money mistake. And this one, someone will say, but do girls also spend on guys? Yes, there are girls who spend on guys. There are girls probably because she likes a guy, so she will spend her money. Probably the guy doesn't have money, so she will spend her money to buy clothes for the guy, to feed the guy, to pay the guy's school fees, to buy a car for the guy, just to make the guy feel good. Most of the times, the guy will make it in like he will use all those help you give him to turn his life around, and then when he makes it, he now ditches you. That's why you hear the stories of people who say, I was dating this guy who didn't have money, I took care of him, he went to school, he has his master's, now he has a good job, and now he's cheating on me, or now he has broken up with me and he has gone for someone else. When you keep spending on girls and guys, you are making a serious money mistake. The people who make the most mistakes are guys. Guys, sometimes when you like a girl, you are spending on a girl, so probably, and you see, normally it's those who have money who do this a lot. You don't have enough money, you want more money. But then you have 3 girls who are chasing at the same time, and you are buying the breakfast for this one, lunch for this one, supper for this one. You are taking this one out for a program. You are paying money here, buying prepaid here, buying credits here. You are just spending money on different girls at the same time. It is a serious money mistake you are making. If you have money, you have so much money, and you want to waste your money or spend your money on so many girls or so many guys at the same time, well, that one is up to you because you've already made the money. But if you now want to make money, you don't have enough money, you now want to get to the point of financial freedom, and you are still going about spending or wasting money on girls and guys, it is a money mistake you are making. Next, if you love following get-rich-quick schemes, so there's an opportunity to make so much money within the shortest time, and then you jump into it. So the little money you have, instead of researching and investing wisely with your money, because you've heard about a get-rich scheme, and you want to make some quick money, now you go and put all your money into it, then the whole thing goes southward. Then you go home crying, you go home regretting. Then you now say, had I known. But then when you hear about another Ponzi scheme, you go again, put your money into it. I remember last year in 2020 when the COVID-19 came in fresh. I'm sure you all heard about how people are buying the face shield when the face shield came. People go, oh, I'll buy 1 million face shields and 200,000 face shields. And people are just ordering here and there. Indeed, those who started early made a lot of money because, I mean, they had people buying and orders were coming through them. So they made a lot of money in the beginning. But those who entered late because they had heard that people were making so much money, people lost their money because people went to buy, for example, a box of face mask. The small box, people bought a box for say 300 cedis, thinking that they could sell it higher to make profit, only to realize that Charlie, the value had gone down. People had stopped really using the face mask, or the frequency of purchase had reduced, and so the demand for the thing had gone down. And so people bought the thing for 300 cedis, and now they are selling the thing at probably 20 cedis or 10 cedis per box. Just imagine how much money you have lost if you bought the box at 300 cedis and not selling at even 30 cedis. You've lost so much money. So stop following get rich quick schemes. Normally, most of these things, probably they may favor those who start early, those who get into it early. They are the ones who may benefit, but those who get in later, you will definitely lose your money. You will lose your money. So be careful about get rich quick schemes. Don't just rush into them. If you even want to go into it, research well and find out how you can make the best out of it. If not, run away from any get rich quick scheme. It is not helpful. Next money mistake you are making is when you have only one source of income. When you have only one source of income, and this one we have all been into it before. There was a point when you all have only one source of income, so it is only the job you are working at that is your source of income. So until your boss pays you every month, you don't have money. I mean, if that is the life you are living, Charlie, it is a wrong money mistake. Wrong money mistake, no, it is a money mistake you are making. Don't rely on only one source. Well, that could be your first source, but see how you can also have other things you are doing that can also bring money. Don't only live on monthly salary where the money comes at once in a month. If the money you make in life comes only once a month, it is wrong. You should be able to do something like that. You can get money on any day at all of the week. Money should come to you on any day, whether it's Monday or Friday, whether it's Saturday or Sunday, whether it's end of month or start of month or mid-month. Money should be able to come to you. That means you should be able to build different streams of income. Once you're getting money from your job, you're getting money from your side job, you're getting money from somewhere else, you're getting money from an investment, whatever it is. If you have your own business, you shouldn't have just one product line. Whilst one product line is bringing you money, another thing is also bringing money here, another thing. So have different streams of income. I'm not saying go and put yourself from the word go and start different streams of income. No. Normally you start from one stream of income. As you progress, you add the other streams. So other streams. But then definitely start with one. Build that stream very well. When you're making something good from it, or when you're making some good returns from it, then you add other streams so you can get money from other places. So definitely have that in mind so you don't make this money mistake. Be mindful that, or remember that trees don't produce fruits on only one branch. For example, when you see a mango tree, the fruits that come forth don't come on only one branch of the mango tree. It comes from different branches. So that even when you cut this branch off, there are other branches to produce fruits. So learn from the tree. We say money doesn't grow on trees, but indeed you can have a tree in your life that grows money, so that different sources, different streams bringing you money every day, every week, every month. All right. Next is when you are being scared to take financial risks. If you're someone who is always scared to take financial risks, you are making a serious money mistake. Because look, this life itself is a risk. having life or being alive is a risk, because you don't know what will happen the next minute. You don't know when you will die. You don't know when things will go wrong. You don't know when things will go right. We are all just living based on hope, based on the word of God. I will not die now. That's what keeps us going. But we don't know what is going to happen next. And so if you are scared of taking financial risks, it's a serious money mistake, because you will definitely have to find a way to take risks. You must definitely take risks in life. You must definitely. So look, whether you like it or not, you will take risks when it comes to money. For example, you're going to look for a job. It is a risk you're taking. What if you get a job and your boss never pays you? What if he pays you but when the salary is never enough for you? What if you go into business and then your business never works? What if? So you would definitely take risks. Be careful about taking risks. But if you're someone who is scared of taking risks, you never want to take risks because you don't want to take the responsibility, you don't want to go wrong, you don't want to fail in life. It is a serious money mistake you're making, and you may be poor forever or for a long time. Finally, if you are someone who believes in saving rather than investing, it is a serious money mistake you're making. If you believe in saving more than you believe in investing, it is a serious money mistake you're making. Yes, you need to save. Yes, you don't have to spend every money you make. Find a way to save some for a rainy day or to do other things. But don't save to save, or don't save to spend. Be mindful. Don't save your money because you want to save, or don't save because you want to spend. Save because you want to use the money you want to invest the money into other things that will produce money. So yes, you have to save because one day you need the money to do other things, to buy something. So definitely you need to save, definitely. But don't just save and stop at saving. Save, but save because you want to use the money to invest into other things that will produce more money, either into your new business or into some financial instruments in the bank or in the financial institution. Definitely find a way to save to invest, not save to save, or not save to spend. These are serious money mistakes you will be making if you do these things. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Street Sense with me, Maxwell Mensah. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe now, and I will see you on the next episode.